Hello everyone, today I will demonstrate how to access your liked videos on YouTube. First, open the YouTube application on your device and ensure that you are signed in to the correct account. Once you are on the home page, locate the library icon, which resembles a small U in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap on the settings gear icon in the top right corner of the library page. You will then see several options. Locate and tap on your data in YouTube. Scroll down on the next page until you find YouTube Watch History and tap on Manage your YouTube Watch History in blue. This will open a page where you will need to tap on Interactions located at the top right corner. You will now see various options. Tap on the first option, which is Video Likes and Dislikes. There you have it. You will now see a page with all the videos you have liked and disliked. This is how you can easily view your liked videos on YouTube.